Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another video. Today I am back in another Bitcoin caption chart. Today I discuss about the Bitcoin graph, how's the market going on. So let's start. First of all, I am on the one-day chart. In on-day chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to on-hour chart, in on-hour chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 2-hour chart, in 2-hour chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 3-hour chart, in 3-hour chart market is also going to down. If I go to 4-hour chart, in 4-hour chart you can see the market is going to up. So it's so confused how is the market going on. If I go to 1-minute chart, in 1-minute chart you can see the market is going to up. It's the live loop. If I go to 15-minute chart, in 15-minute chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 30-minute chart, in 30-minute chart market is also going to up. If I go to 45-minute chart you can see the market is also going to up. So it's clear last 1 hour market is going to up. If I go to on the chart, then I can calculate everything. If you see my previous video, you can understand it clearly. I take 3 graph. Look this. I create 3 scale. In that 3 scale, in my previous video I said the market follow these pips and then he break. Look, market going to this place and he randomly going to up. After that he also going to up, and after some times later he going to down. Now the market's position is going to up. If I take a scale, look this, market is now this position. After that he can break his position, but I think market going to up randomly. So I think everybody understand what I mean, what the discussion is. If you know the good prediction, comment below and share your idea. I think it will be helpful for my viewers. Now I discuss about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 23,825.90 USD. Today's Bitcoin is on BTC is equal to 23,825.90 USD. I think everybody liked the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you.